I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. Changing your phone number with Citizens Bank is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, find the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In a Profile Settings, look for an option labeled Contact Information or Personal Information. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your phone number. Here you can enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy before saving. Note, if you see a verification prompt, follow the instructions to confirm your new number. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving, you should receive a confirmation message. Check your email or notifications to ensure the update was successful. That is it. You've successfully updated your phone number with Citizens Bank. If you run into any issues, the customer service is always ready to help.